Back out to the backyard where it's just not much but water around there, over towards Phil's place. And if you look carefully up the back, the river's come through over the bank now. In Phil's yard, and then of course down in our yard. And there's shit dribbles down here, as the old saying goes. Right down the back. Hasn't quite jumped the bank there, but it's flowing down from where it did upstream a bit. Trailer's not quite half underwater yet, but we're getting there. And that was a riverbed, a flower bed. Two naughty little kids with shovels, Kerry and Jake, finished that off and let the water flow, which was probably a good idea. So that's fairly fast, and a lot of it. It's just dragging some shit out of the yard downstream anyway. That's a positive. Who's that?